Hello everyone, this is Amanda. Most of our friends know well about single needle quilting machines. They can quilt all kinds of patterns with elegant results. Our single needle quilting machines can quilt patterns with 7,000 stitches in 6 minutes. Let's come to this new model of the year. It's double beam quilting machine. It has 2 beams which can work separately. It means 2 quilting machines are working together, but it needs only 1 operator and occupies less room. Finishing a pattern of 7,000 stitches takes only 3 minutes. Maybe some friends ask how to choose between double beam and double head quilting machines. For double head quilting machines, the 2 sewing heads are installed on 1 beam. 2 sewing heads work synchronously for symmetrical patterns. When the pattern is unsymmetrical, only 1 sewing head works. But for double beam quilting machine, 2 heads work together for any patterns. So, if you show interest in this model, please subscribe to my channel and don't hesitate to contact us.